Tony Smith here with Crinco.com, and today we're talking about flood insurance. One of our customers recently called in with a question asking if flood insurance covered anything outside of the home. It's a great question. The first thing we need to mention is that a standard home insurance policy does not provide any coverage for rising water floods. The flood insurance policy our customer was speaking of was a separate policy purchased through FEMA's National Flood Insurance Program that specifically covers rising water floods. Although the flood insurance policy can cover up to $250,000 for the dwelling, there is nothing listed on a flood insurance declaration page addressing other structures coverage like a home insurance policy commonly would under coverage B. So is the coverage for other structures just built into the policy? The answer is typically no. While flood insurance can provide coverage for damage to the main home caused by rising water, it generally doesn't cover anything outside of the home. FEMA's flood insurance summary of coverage states this: property and belongings outside of a building, such as trees, plants, wells, septic systems, walks, decks, patios, fences, seawalls, hot tubs, and swimming pools, are not insured under dwelling coverage. However, if the other structure on the property is a detached garage, the insured can use up to 10% of their dwelling coverage to cover the detached garage. And lastly, if the other structure on the property is a detached building, you can purchase the detached building its own separate flood insurance policy. In this case, you'd have two flood insurance policies, one for the main home and one for the detached building. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Flood insurance, other structures coverage explained in less than 2 minutes. Crinco.com. Insurance simplified.